Question number 1. On what date was Operation Sindoor launched? Option A, May 1, 2025. Option B, May 6, 2025. Option C, May 7, 2025. And option D, May 10, 2025. Question number 2. Which event triggered Operation Sindoor? Option A, Pahalgam terror attack. Option B, hijacking of an Indian aircraft. Option C, Pulwama attack. And option D, Mumbai attack. Question number 3. Which branches of the Indian Armed Forces were involved in Operation Sindoor? Option A, Indian Army. Option B, Indian Air Force. Option C, Indian Navy. And option D, all of the above. Question number 4. How many terrorist sites were destroyed by the IAF during Operation Sindoor? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 7. And option D, 9. Question number 5. Which Pakistani city was considered a potential target during Operation Sindoor? Option A, Islamabad. Option B, Lahore. Option C, Karachi. And option D, Peshawar. Question number 6. What was the duration of Operation Sindoor? Option A, 1 day. Option B, 3 days. Option C, 5 days. And option D, 7 days. Question number 7. What was the significance of the name Sindoor for the operation? Option A, it refers to a military code. Option B, it symbolizes peace. Option C, it denotes a geographical location. Option D, it honors the victims of the Pahalgam attack, particularly widows. Question number 8. Which Indian government body coordinated Operation Sindoor? Option A, Ministry of External Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Defense. Option C, National Security Council. And option D, Prime Minister's Office. Question number 9. What was the primary objective of Operation Sindoor? Option A, defeating the Pakistan army. Option B, changing the border of Kashmir. Option C, recapture the POK. Option D, target terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and POK. Question number 10. Who was the lady fighter pilot prominently involved in Operation Sindoor? Option A, Vyomika Singh. Option B, Amani Chaturvedi. Option C, Bhavana Kant. And option D, Mohana Singh. Question number 11. When did the Pahalgam terror attack happen? Option A, April 4, 2025. Option B, April 10, 2025. Option C, April 18, 2025. Option D, April 22, 2025. Question number 12. How many innocent civilians were killed in the Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir? Option A, 24. Option B, 25. option C 26 and option D 27. Question number 13. Which fighter jets are used in the Operation Sindoor? Option A Tejas, option B Rafale, option C Sukhoi and option D MiG-29. Question number 14. What missiles were added during Operation Sindoor? Option A Scalp missile, option B Hammer missile, option C kamikaze drones and option D all of the above. Question number 15. What was the role of drones in Operation Sindoor? Option A used for surveillance and target confirmation, option B deployed for delivering supplies, option C used for psychological operations and option D none.